Okay, I added some boxes on this for me visually. Uh, it says the annual interest rate and a line of an amortization schedule for a loan are given to you. Complete the next line of the schedule and assume that payments are made monthly. Okay, I told you in class that the annual interest rate here of 10%, that never changes. It's going to stay 10% for as many lines on this table as you would use. So right here, this would be 10%. Let me fill the rest of that in because, you know, I just like things to look pretty. All right, same thing with the monthly payment. Your monthly payment is always going to be the same. That's never going to change. If you have a car payment, you should know that, right? Yeah. So that's going to be $137.68. I didn't do that very good, but that's all right. Now, interest paid. This will change. Okay, the interest paid will change line by line by line, and it should go down because as your balance goes down, the interest that they calculate will go down. Now, to get this box right here, you have to take the monthly balance, which was 4305.20, multiply that. You're calculating the interest paid. And remember, interest is principal times rate times time. And then you were given the rate. That was 10%. So, this will be 0.10. And then on time, this is going to be for just the 1 month. So you're going to multiply it times 1/12 of a year. And so that is going to come out to be, when I am done with all that, rounded to the nearest penny, $35.88. Okay, that is what I'm going to put right here, $35.88. Now, to get the next line, the paid on principal, well, all you have to do is take the payment that you sent in, the $137.68, and subtract the amount of interest that they're going to keep. So subtract those two numbers, and let me find a purpley pen. That's about as purple as I'm going to get. Let's see. That'll give you $101.80. That's what's going to go right here in this box. 101.80. So you send in a check in yellow, $137.68. They calculate how much interest off of your balance they want to keep from that check. They're going to keep $35.88. They'll subtract it from your $137.68 check. And so what's left, they'll apply to your balance. So you have to go and get your balance again, which I don't know why I did that in green before, but I did. Oh well. Your balance of 4,305. So I'm going to take the 4,305.20 and subtract the 101. Okay, why won't that go away? Go away. Go away. I don't know. 101.80. Why won't that erase? That is so weird. Okay, I don't know. I don't know why that little dot's there, but just go with it. Okay, and so when I subtract that, that's going to give me my new balance right here. And grabbing your calculator, do a little math, I get $4,203.40, and that's what goes right here. Sorry, that was my phone buzzing if you heard that. So if you were to do another line, like let's say I had you do 2 lines, this would still be 10%. This would still be $137.68. But this new box right here, which I guess I'll do in a new color, how about blue? This box is going to be different because this 4,305, this number right here, that isn't going to be there anymore. It's going to be the new number of 4203.40. That's my new balance. So you have to use your new balance right here times the 10% times the 1/12, and that's not going to be this number. It is going to be, oh, I haven't done this one yet. So grab my calculator. Let's see, 4203.40 times 0.10 times 1/12 is $35, and rounding off to the nearest penny, 03. So this is going to be $35.03, which it should be. It should be less than what it was before. It is, not by much, pennies, but you know, like 75 cents. And now, instead of subtracting $35.88 from my $137.68, I'm going to, why is this not erasing? Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on here. This is bizarre. It usually erases. Erase. Well, crap. Well, right here, this is now going to be 3503, which is going to give me a new number. It won't be this number when I subtract 137. That's my payment, and I subtract the 35.03, which you're going to keep from me. I'm going to get 102.65, and that goes here. And you'll notice that the paid on principal is going up. As your interest goes down, the amount that your paid on principal goes up, and so this number is going to come down further. I'm now going to take the, well, it's not this one, it's now going to be the 4203.40, and instead of the 101, instead of this one, I'm going to subtract the 102.65. So it's kind of messy, sorry. 0.40 and subtract the 102.65. And so my new balance will be 4,100.75. So you can see, first it was 4305, now it's 4203, now it's 4,100. It's going to keep going down, but this will stay the same, this will stay the same, this should go down, this should go up, and this should go down. Anyway, and I just keep, you know, keep doing those. This number here would change when you're doing the interest paid, right? This is interest. So this number here is always the previous balance, and it'll still be the same interest rate, the same time. This number that you get, you will subtract from your monthly payment. That's always the same, $137.68. What happens is when you finally get down here, a lot of times you'll send in that last payment, and you'll be sending in more than you still owe. And sometimes it could be like for $1.50 or something. I have received checks, refund checks in the bank for like $2.13 because I paid a little extra, and they'll give it back to you. So just gotta wait a little.